What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I will be giving you guys an update of, exactly what has happened or taken place during the course of this final block. So if you have been following along on the channel, right, you'd know that this year was the final year of my BSc in software engineering. And yeah, I'm happy to share with you guys that that is essentially done. So I have successfully completed the BSc itself. We had a farewell that was hosted or held on campus around last week Friday. So yeah, today is the 7th of December. And I'm just taking a look here at the channel information. So I won't be sharing my screen again for this video, considering I want this to be a sort of personal interaction. You guys can listen to exactly whatever I'm saying. So I'm taking a look here at the channel and I see the last time I posted was on the 29th of October. So that's just like more than a month ago. Yeah, so nothing much really to report. Just got to tell you guys that the BSc is done. Everything went well. Yes, there have been ups and downs, but there's nothing we can't handle, right? The next phase that's in store for me, and I'm sure there are a lot of other students out there as well. If you are one of those students who is currently watching the video as well, then our next phase is going to be job seeking, finding that full-time job opportunity where our interests lie. So with regards to that, I am officially unemployed. And yeah, if you guys have any recommendations and so on that you'd like to give, you guys can feel free to send that my way. I actually am working part-time at the moment, but yeah, I am currently looking for a full-time opportunity. With regards to the channel itself, so after I record this video, I am going to record another video which I will post shortly afterwards. It's essentially going to speak about new platforms that you guys probably haven't heard of. So along the way throughout the year, I have been in contact or in touch with various founders and startup companies that I'd like to share with the YouTube audience as well. So yeah, aside from that, nothing much to mention. Just wanted to give you guys the feedback and the update. I am officially unemployed and I am officially qualified. So yeah, that's that. And with that, guys, I am going to end the video here, considering I want to jump straight into recording more content for the channel. I see as per what YouTube Studio is telling me, the last couple of videos, approximately 2 or 3, they have been kind of vlog based in nature, and I want to really make a transition now back into educational content. So yeah, it's going to be a super cool YouTube journey, and I look forward to growing the channel as I mentioned in previous videos. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.